Let's try to decode another symptom today, that is abdominal pain. Let's see if we can reach the diagnosis by asking the right questions. Let's try with the first set of questions. Where exactly is the pain located? Because the location itself gives us the first clue. If it's in the right upper abdomen, ask that does it get worse after eating fatty food or do you have fever? If yes, we think of acute cholecystitis. But why? Because gallbladder inflammation is often triggered after fatty meals and is commonly associated with a fever. And if not, let's ask the other set of questions like is the pain in the epigastric region? If yes, does that radiate to the back? And if yes, we think of acute pancreatitis. Why is this? Is because the pancreas lies deep in the abdomen, so the pain often travels straight through to the back. And if the answer is no, let's go to the other questions like is the pain burning? Does it improve or worsen after meals? If yes, think of peptic ulcer disease because the stomach and duodenal ulcers typically cause a burning epigastric pain related to the meals. And if not, let's go to the other questions. Like, is the pain in the region right lower abdomen? Then did it start around the belly button and later move to the right lower abdomen? And do you have a fever associated and loss of appetite? If yes, we think of acute appendicitis. And the migration of the pain is a classic clue in that. If not, let's go to the other question. Is the pain coming from the flank? Then ask like, is it severe, colicky, and does it radiate to the groin? And is there a blood in the urine? If yes, we think of renal stone because the renal stone moves down the ureter, causing severe colicky pain that radiates to the groin. And if not, let's move to the other question. Is the pain diffuse all over the abdomen? And is the abdomen swollen? Have you stopped passing stool? Because the blockage of the intestine causes abdominal distension, vomiting, and inability to pass stool or flatus. And see what happened. We didn't ask the random questions, we asked the questions which had a purpose. And every answer eliminated one diagnosis and brought us closer to the other. And that's how the doctors don't just hear the abdominal pain, but they recode it. That's it for today. Thank you.